He's hot like a frozen sun. He's young and fast, he's the chosen one. People are not bragging. He's the American dragon. He's gonna stop his enemies with his dragon power. Dragon teeth, dragon tail, burning dragon fire. A real live wire, American dragon.
Dragon up.
American dragon. He's the American dragon.
Freestyle with the dragon.
His skills are getting faster with Grandpa the Master. His destiny, what's up to it's showtime, baby, for the legacy. American dragon.
From the J to the A to the K to